Solved problems. Updated trial balance after adjustments. The trial balance for Ferdinand Plumbing Service for December 31, 2021 is given here. Trial balance as on December 31, 2021. Cash in bank debit 36,000. Accounts receivable debit 7,000. Prepaid rent debit 8,000. Plumbing supplies debit 7,420. Plumbing equipment debit 14,000. Accumulated depreciation on plumbing equipment credit 10,600. Accounts payable 4,420. Ferdinand capital 32,500 credit. Plumbing revenue 43,560 credit. Heat expenses debit 4,000. Advertising expenses debit 2,000. Wage expenses debit 12,600. Total debit size 91,080. Credit size total 91,080. To update the trial balance. A. Rent expense 5,000. Plumbing and supplies on hand remaining 1,000. Depreciation expense plumbing equipment 2,000. Wages earned by workers but not paid are due until January 3,500. Solution. Let us prepare adjusted trial balance after making adjustments in the format. Once again, we put the trial balance given in the format. The adjustments in the adjustments column. Adjustment A. Rent expired 5,000. We have to reduce prepaid rent by 5,000 and we have to debit rent expense by 5,000. Adjustment B. Plumbing and supplies on hand 1,000 rupees. For this, we need to pass the entry plumbing supplies on hand asset debit 1,000. Plumbing supplies on hand profit and loss account credit 1,000. Adjustment C. Depreciation expense plumbing equipment 2,000. For this, we need to credit accumulated depreciation plumbing equipment with 2,000 and we have to create depreciation account, debit it with 2,000. Adjustment D. Wages due but not paid 3,500. For this, we have to debit wages with 3,500 and credit outstanding wages with 3,500. Total, the debit side of adjustments it is 11,500 and the credit side adjustments is 11,500. Now let us prepare adjusted trial balance. Trial balance figures plus adjustments finally come to cash 36,060. Account receivable 7,000. Prepaid rent 3,000. Plumbing supplies 7,420. Plumbing equipment 14,000. Accumulated depreciation plumbing equipment 12,600 credit. Accounts payable 4,420 credit. Ferdinand capital 32,500 credit. Plumbing revenue 43,560. Heat expense 4,000 debit. Rent expense 5,000 debit. Depreciation debit 2,000. Advertising expenses debit 2,000. Wages expenses 16,100. Plumbing supplies on hand asset 1,000 debit. Plumbing supplies on hand profit and loss account credit 1,000. Outstanding wages liability credit 3,500. Now total debit side adjusted trial balance 97,580 and credit side total 97,580. Once again, let us check. The given trial balance is having totals of 91,018 debit, 91,080 credit. Later we made the adjustments. Total debits 11,500, total credits 11,500. After finally preparing the adjusted trial balance, the total of adjusted trial balance debit side comes to 97,580, credit side 97,580.